Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some acrylic nails at home. These are sets of nails that I was doing off camera, just practicing and trying to build my skills. Now I was meant to bring this video to you earlier in November, however in October when I took off my acrylic nails I bit them off instead of soaking them off, and as a result my natural nails was damaged underneath, so I needed to give my nails a good few months to heal, and it took about 2 to 3 months for it to heal, and so I'm back now doing another set of acrylic nails. So if you've watched any of my previous nail videos, I have said that I'm not a professional. I'm teaching myself how to do acrylic nails at home. I have bought a level 3 academic book on how to do acrylic nails, and I follow that each and every time that I'm doing a set. And don't be like me guys, make sure that you soak your acrylic nails off. Don't bite them off, because 1, it will damage your natural nails, and 2, it's unhygienic. So you've seen me start off by buffing and filing my natural nails, and now I'm just measuring the acrylic tips. You have to measure the tips to make sure they fit accurately or close enough, because you can always file it down. And I start off with clean hands as well. And I'm sorry for the lighting in this clip, but it does get better. And this is a nail glue that I bought from Primark, but it wasn't very good. You'll see in upcoming clips that I actually struggled to use the glue and stick the acrylic tips on. So in future I would not use that glue again. And basically the tip should fit just right. It shouldn't be too big or too small, otherwise it will snap off. And I'm sorry that some things are out of the frame. I still need to work on getting a good bird's eye angle when filming tutorials such as this one. Go back in several times in order to fit the acrylic tips on, because the glue wasn't very strong. I find that with nail glues they get hard and dry very quickly, and you have to replace the bottle very quickly, but the brush on nail glues do last a bit longer and are a bit better in my opinion. I'm just making sure that everything matches up with the size and the length of each hand and each finger. And I don't have an electric file, so I'm going to be using my hand filed, and this is why I apply the acrylic very thinly because I don't want lumps and bumps, because I don't have an electric file. And this is a nail primer. It's supposed to allow the acrylic to adhere to your natural nails. Excuse me, adhere to your natural nails and have a stronger hold. And now I'm going in with the acrylic coat, but I'm doing 2 thin layers. So when it comes to acrylic, you want to work smarter, not harder, and that's making sure that your acrylic beads are not too thick but not too thin, making sure that you're not going to spend too much time filing afterwards, because that's a waste of time and a waste of material. So I try to do them as thin as possible, but not too thin to the point where they will snap off, and as I said, that's because I don't have an electric file. And I'm going around the edges with my wooden stick just to make sure that I get rid of the acrylic that may be touching my skin, because I don't want it to dry onto my skin. And once you're a pro, you might not need to do this. I won't need to do this anymore once I'm a pro, but as I'm a beginner, I'm still doing this. And in time you'll learn to manage the brush better and to manage the beads better. Again, I'm filing to smooth the nail down, and then I'm going to buff. So I went away, washed my hands, and at this point I'm going to be using the nail polish. When it comes to acrylic nails, you don't need a base coat because it's not your real nails, so it's not going to stain the nails, and if it does, it doesn't matter. I did 2 coats with this pink nail polish by Rimmel London. Then once dry, I went in with a top coat. And now I'm just going in with a nail polish remover and a cotton bud to clean up the edges and allow my nails to look more neat. If you don't have cotton bud, you can use a thin small nail brush. I like to use nail polish rather than plain acetone because nail polishes usually has oils and other ingredients inside that is much more safe for the natural nail. Now I'm going to put some nail oil on, some cuticle oil. It's always a good idea to do this because once you've worked around the cuticle area, it does become a bit tender and dry. And these are my end results. So I am getting better slowly, but of course more work needs to be done. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!